Alright, so we picked up all this just recently. I didn't have any of it on film. I figured that we'll go through, see what it all is. This is a aluminum baby stroller type of thing. Up a baby. This is a car part. I was interested to see what was inside this chainsaw holder. Okay. Chainsaw that's doesn't have the saw part. It's missing a couple pieces. I'll leave that in there. The whole thing is good. Besides this little crack right there. Just a piece of metal. A spring. It's a nice good Craftsman wrench. We got this transmission. I don't know what it goes to, but I don't even know if it's any good or not. A remote Vizio. Take it out apart, and there's probably a gold piece in there. Blue Hawk. Pry bar. Little box cutter. Some more springs. That's kind of cool. Little screwdriver. Now what is this? Oh, this is to cut some nails, maybe on some animals. GFCI test. Some type of meter reader. This must be actually from a trampoline. Tire iron. This is interesting. A voltage meter. I don't know if it works or not. I don't even know how it works. Well, we'll check it out. There might not be any batteries in there. Got some monitors. MSI. I don't know anything about it. Looks interesting. Well, I'll check it out. HP monitor. That's broke. Little chip in there. A socket. Some type of little ladder. chair. Doesn't look any good. Saw blade. A broken square. I don't know what kind of metal that would be. Pair of pliers. Those look good. A little saw. That's kind of cool. Some copper wire, which is always useful. And then the rest of the springs in there. And the rest of the poles. Probably from some type of trampoline of some sort. Oh look, a lizard. Let's get him out of there. Come on, little buddy. But this is the dryer. It's a Samsung. It says that it runs, but it doesn't have any heat. Looks pretty beat up. But we'll see what it turns out to be. It sounded like a little bit of jingle inside, so might tear it apart and see what we can get out of it. But we'll catch you on the next one.